Stop scrolling. Most RC cars can't drift properly, and buying the wrong one can waste your money fast. If you're searching for the best RC drifting cars, there's a hidden difference most beginners never notice, and it completely changes performance on the track. Stay with me, because today I'm going to show you top 5 that actually deliver smooth, controlled drifts. Let's start. Number 5. HTURCO RC Drift Car 2.4 GHz 124 scale delivers an exhilarating drifting experience with its four-wheel drive high-speed system, designed specifically for smooth control and precision turns. Built with a high-toughness PVC shell and crash-resistant nylon body, it ensures durability and impact resistance. Equipped with LED headlights for visibility, 2 rechargeable 500 mAh batteries provide over 60 minutes of non-stop racing and drifting fun. Swap between 4 racing or drift tires effortlessly, while the 2.4 GHz frequency supports multiple cars simultaneously. Perfect for skillful drifting, stable handling, and hours of entertainment for kids and adults alike. Number 4. Highboxing 1/18 scale Drift RC car instantly grabs attention with a gyro-stabilized 4-wheel drive system, engineered specifically for drifting performance. Powered by a 370 brushed motor, it reaches speeds up to 28 km/h, while the 3-wire servo delivers precise proportional steering for controlled slides. Product information highlights a PA chassis, independent suspension, adjustable shocks, and specialized drift tires for smooth cornering on flat surfaces. Technical details include a 2.4 GHz radio with 280 feet range, splash-proof electronics, and safety protections. Dual 7.4V 850 mAh TPO batteries provide over 40 minutes runtime, offering durability, stability, and high-value drifting fun. Number 3. Ibliver RC Drift Car instantly grabs attention with a 1/14 scale 4-wheel drive drifting platform built specifically for smooth, controlled slides and high-speed action. This model features a durable, high-toughness PVC body with a unique color shift finish that changes from blue to purple under light, plus bright LED headlights for night visibility. Powered by a rear-engine drivetrain and dual 7.4-volt 500 mAh batteries delivering up to 25 minutes runtime, it reaches speeds of 28 km/h. The 2.4 GHz control system ensures stable multi-car racing, while interchangeable race and drift tires maximize precision drifting, durability, performance value, and thrilling RC driving control. Number 2. Sakeye RC Drift Car 2.4 GHz 1/16 scale 4-wheel drive is built for high-controlled drifting performance, delivering speeds up to 18 km/h with precise forward, reverse, and proportional steering for smooth corner slides. This performance-focused RC vehicle features a durable impact-resistant body, removable wheels, and a dual-tire setup, including racing tires and specialized drifting tires for tiles, boards, and track surfaces. Advanced 2.4 GHz control technology provides stable operation up to about 145 feet without signal interference. Bright LED lights and rear spray mist effects add visual excitement, while 2 rechargeable batteries deliver nearly 40 minutes of runtime, offering strong value, durability, and thrilling drift action. Number 1. HTURCO 1431 V3 114 RTR Brushless RC Drift Car delivers serious drifting performance built for speed, control, and durability. This high-performance 4-wheel drive electric RC machine features a powerful 2845 3900 kV brushless motor paired with a 45A ESC and 2S 7.4-volt 2000 mAh battery, producing up to 26 plus miles per hour, with 38 plus miles per hour achievable on a 3S setup. Its independent gyro system keeps slides stable and controlled, perfect for precise drifting. A 6061 aluminum chassis, metal drivetrain, 16 ball bearings, and oil-filled shocks ensure smooth, durable performance. With 3 tire sets, interactive lights, and a 120 plus feet, 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. It delivers versatility, stability, and thrilling drift control.